Hey everyone, welcome back to pickmytrends, your go-to channel for all things tech and home improvement. If you're looking for the best tools to keep your home fresh and clean, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the world of bed vacuum cleaners. These innovative machines combine UVC light, HEPA filters, ultrasonic tech, and powerful suction to give your mattress and home the deep cleaning it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest product reviews. Let's get into it, starting with 6 of the top-rated mattress vacuums on the market right now. Whether you're tackling dust, pet hair, or hidden allergens, these vacuums have got you covered. First up, we have the Amzany 5-in-1 Cordless Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful device combines 16K of suction with UVC light, ultrasonic tech, and high-frequency tapping to give your mattress a comprehensive cleaning. The standout feature? It's environmental humidity monitoring, so you can track your home's air quality while you clean. It even includes a washable HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Plus, with its cordless design, it's easy to use anywhere around your home. Whether you're dealing with dust mites, bacteria, or pet hair, the Amzany 5-in-1 has you covered with its multi-stage cleaning process. It's ideal for people with allergies or sensitive skin. Plus, its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver on all types of bedding and furniture. Next, we have the HEPA Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, which boasts a corded design with up to 16 kPa suction and a UVC light that penetrates deep into your mattress to eliminate dust mites and bacteria. The added ultrasonic and heating functions, plus its 500-watt motor, make it one of the most versatile options for a thorough cleaning. It also comes with a HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of tiny particles, so your home stays fresh and allergen-free. This vacuum's high-powered suction and ultrasonic technology not only remove dirt, but also sanitize your mattress. The integrated heating feature ensures the surface temperature rises enough to eliminate germs and bacteria while remaining gentle on your fabrics. Plus, its easy-to-clean dustbin makes it low maintenance. If you're looking for smart tech in your vacuum cleaner, check out the HEPA Mattress Vacuum Cleaner with Smart Dust Sensor. This model uses a 500-watt motor for 13 kPa suction and integrates UV and ultrasonic technology. The coolest feature here is its Smart Dust Sensor. It calculates the dust level in real time and shows you the cleaning status with a simple color-coded light. It's perfect for households with babies and pets, as it offers up to 99% protection from dust mites and allergens. What sets this vacuum apart is the Smart Dust Sensor, which gives you a visual indicator of the amount of dirt and dust on your mattress. It's like having a built-in air quality monitor while you clean. Plus, the ultrasonic technology reduces noise while ensuring powerful cleaning, and the 130 degrees Fahrenheit heating function gives added sanitation, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Moving on to the HEPA Bed Vacuum Cleaner, this model stands out for its combination of UV light and 140 degrees Fahrenheit heating to thoroughly clean your mattress. It uses a powerful roller brush to scrub and agitate dirt from deep within your fabric, then uses suction and UV light to pull it all out. The result? A cleaner bed and better sleep. Plus, it includes safety sensors that turn off the UV light when the vacuum is lifted, ensuring safety while you clean. The roller brush in this model is a game changer, especially for anyone dealing with deep-set dirt or pet hair. The 140 degrees Fahrenheit heating option ensures that your mattress gets thoroughly sanitized, and the built-in safety sensors ensure you won't accidentally expose yourself to UV light. This vacuum is great for those who want a high-performing, safety-conscious device. The The JPL Ultra UVC K16 mattress vacuum is another powerhouse. With its robust 600-watt motor and 40,000 RPM brush roll, it generates strong suction to eliminate dirt and dust. It also features 253.7nm UVC light, which kills 99.9% of harmful substances, and a multi-stage filtration system to ensure the air remains fresh. The added 140 degrees Fahrenheit heating function makes this vacuum an all-in-one solution for your mattress, sofa, and even your carpet. The 600-watt motor ensures that the Ultra UVC K16 has some of the strongest suction power available, while the 40,000 RPM brush roll helps agitate dirt and debris from deep within your mattress or couch. The UVC light, combined with the 140 degrees Fahrenheit heating, offers a complete deep clean, making it great for people who are particularly sensitive to dust, mites, or allergens. Last but not least, the Herzvin Lightweight UV Bed Cleaner. This compact model features a 12 kPa suction power and UV light that penetrates deep into fabric, making it perfect for light cleaning tasks like pet hair or dust. It's easy to handle, weighing just 1.5 pounds, so it's ideal for quick cleanups without any hassle. Even though it's lightweight, this vacuum doesn't compromise on performance. It still delivers an impressive 12 kPa suction and uses UVC light to sanitize and eliminate germs. It's the perfect tool for a quick refresh on your bedding or sofa, and its ergonomic design means you won't get tired using it. So there you have it, 6 of the best bed vacuums of 2024, each designed to keep your home clean, healthy, and allergen-free. Whether you're looking for UVC tech, ultrasonic cleaning, or high-powered suction, these vacuums have something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Pick My Trends, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest gadgets and cleaning tech. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with these vacuums? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay clean, stay healthy, and as always, pick your trends wisely.